Be quiet, girl. I know it's cold out here, but hey, it's life. It's life. Y'all hear that big girl over there whining? It's 40 degrees out here. And I got the garage up and she on guard. She whining. But it's life. Look at her. You hear her? It's alright, baby girl. It's gonna warm up. It's gonna warm up. But for right now, you got a job to do. You got a job to do. Yes, you do. You got a job to do. You got a job to do. You got a job to do. Yes, you do. You signed up for the application. I hired you. And now you want to come here and do this. So are you going to work today or not? Are you going to work today?
What you do with the lemons?
I'm not in the refrigerator. Are you going to work today? Yes. Yes. Yes, he is, y'all. She gonna guard. So if you pull up unannounced, she gonna let me know. Ain't that right? Yeah, I heard it. See? Told you she gonna go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. I knew you were gonna go to work today. Just like a female, gotta give you that lip, that attitude. You did all that just to come back over here. Now she don't want to talk to you. Coco, you gonna work today. Hey, I don't want to hear you. You gonna work today. Yes, you is. I don't care that it's cold outside. I'm out here. Casper out here, even though he got a little heat. But that's fine, though. You'll be all right. Just because it's cold out here today, don't mean you ain't going to go to work. I said what I said. No more back talk. And if you see anybody walking up this road or down this street, you better let me know. Understood? Thank you. Uh-oh, who's it? Oh, it's true. She ain't gonna alert by no vehicles driving by. Girl, be quiet. I can't talk. You really mad today. You really mad. I mean, big mad. As good as I am to you, you mad because you gotta go come to work and just because it's a little cold today. But you ungrateful, man. I'm starting to think you ungrateful.